Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to change the ratio in CapCut. So let's get started. At first let's get into CapCut app. So here it is. So let's tap on this. Now we are in CapCut interface. Let's go for this one for now. And here in the bottom we can see this ratio option over here while editing. So let's tap on this and here you can see feet, or for if it is for TikTok or your mobile, it's 9:16 ratio, 1:1 ratio. You can change this to any ratio you want. So this is it, and you can select the needed one and click on tick mark. So this is all. So this is how you can change the ratio in CapCut. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.